name is Jessica Rose, and thank you so much for joining me. I'd like to share with you about the videos that I'm going to be creating over the next coming months. I'm going to be offering a weekly video that will be an energetic attunement for you if you so choose to engage. During each video, I'm going to choose a statement to work with. So the one that I recorded today, actually, that I'll be putting out for you soon, was I'm okay trusting. And so what I'm going to be doing is supporting you to attune to this belief in your system. I'll be working with this on more of a collective level. So the places that we'll be touching will be kind of broader, and I'll invite you to personalize them to your life, and then I'll have you hold some specific points that will help your system to meet the places it may be holding some of these different belief patterns or some of these old programs that are outdated, and allow through this process for the updating of those programs, of your neurological pathways, of your nervous system, to be attuning to what it is you're desiring to be attuning to, rather than simply being run by old unconscious currents of the subconscious mind. And so we're bringing pieces to the light of awareness. So during these practices, during these attunements, I'll invite you to hold a remembrance of something, or think of a specific experience or emotion even. And when you're doing that, we're simply bringing it to consciousness. Our body holds memory. It holds different experiences. It can store different experiences that we haven't processed because there were maybe too much at the time that they occurred, particularly if we've had some kind of trauma of some sort. Our system will take some of that experience in and process it, but in order to keep us functioning, keep us going, our system will store some of it and say, I'll get back to it when I can. This is a great function, and actually will keep us alive many times in our lifetime. So it is a brilliant, brilliant design by the body if we go back and revisit it. If not, then we continue to hold that energy, that vibration of that experience, and have that locked up in our body. And that actually takes a lot of energy, because our system is still living like that past trauma, that past experience is still happening. And so we need to update our system to present time consciousness, to present time reality. And that's part of the intention of what these practices are for, to allow us to update ourselves to these new attunements, to update our body so that we're living more in present time reality, and we're able to trust, we're able to open our hearts, we're able to live our fullest potential. So I welcome you, as you explore these, to actually offer feedback. If there's a particular statement that you would like to attune to, I'd be delighted to hear from you, and we'll take all of those into consideration as I'm sitting with and preparing to do these videos. Ideally, they'll be under 10 minutes, somewhere between 5 to 10 minutes, so you'll be able to offer yourself a quick weekly tune-up or attunement. There's a great momentum right now, and there's a huge opportunity for us to utilize the energy that has been dormant in the unconscious, in the subconscious, both individually and collectively, and to bring the power of that forth and utilize that energy for transformation. It's my intention that these videos, these energetic attunements, may serve you in this way. I'm deeply grateful for this opportunity to come to you and to connect with many of you who I know and those of you who I don't know, and will be tuning in with when I'm doing these videos. I'd like to give thanks for my teachers. There are many who have inspired this in different ways. The primary foundation of the work that's inspiring this work that I'll be doing on the videos came from Neuro emotional technique, which I'm very grateful for, so I'd just like to honor that. And yeah, I'm really wishing you a beautiful day, and